Well, here lies the F900 GS Adventure. Review it? No, not really. It's a bit underpowered. It's a bit wallowy. It's a bit of a lump. I actually don't really like it, to be honest. I don't know who they think you're going to sell this to, but it's certainly not to me. And once you've spec'd this up, you're pretty close to a GS anyway. I mean, it's a fairly radical looking bike, but not my cup of tea. It feels heavy, it feels soft, hasn't got the Telelink suspension, it dives. I can't really think of any pluses, to be honest. My short answer, but try it, each to their own. Personally, not my cup of tea, don't like it, but that could be my fault. I could be the total GS freak here. Anyway, there we go. The GS F900 Adventure. What a lump. With no big lump in there.